G'day, welcome back to another instalment of the monthly Daylesford Railway update. Here's a few things of what we've been up to.
Following on from last month, our team has been busy with the overhaul of 381W. As you can see, we have removed all the exterior cladding, stripped the windows, doors and air conditioners out from the car and have begun repairs to the frame. Once we removed the cladding, it became clearer to us the repair works that were needed. All four corner posts and both the door frames required 100% replacement. We've also taken the opportunity to fully rewire the car while the cladding is off. The next step of the overhaul will be insulation of the walls, fitting of the new aluminium windows and the recladding of the new timber boards. Work has also been continuing on the RT repaint. We have also taken the opportunity to rewire the electrics and it's certainly looking great. We have had a few interesting rail operations recently. We have finally been able to introduce 200 MT into service following its restoration. It was great to see 63 coupled with 200 powering up through the forest to Bellardo. Another major milestone was reached with the reactivation of Y159 when it underwent testing out on the line. The crew reported no issues were encountered on the trials. It's worth noting that this is the first time since our 2014 Railfan Day that 159 has actually travelled to Bellardo. Now repairs are complete, it is planned to use 159 more regularly moving forward, perhaps towing a few end cars. Works are continuing to progress with the reintroduction into service of N18. The main focus has been servicing and recommissioning of the gensets under BN1 and BRN54. This has enabled us to power up the cars and get the air conditioner cycling.
That's it for another monthly update. Thanks for watching. And once again, if you like what you see, want to get involved, drop us in a line or check us out on Facebook. Till next time, see you then.